Will Bitcoin match gold's allocation in investor portfolios? And the U.S. appeals Do Kwon's extradition. You're watching CoinDesk Daily. I'm your host, Jen Sanasie. Bitcoin is unlikely to match gold's allocation in investors' portfolios. In normal terms, that's according to a research report by JPMorgan. The report said that gold is the best comparison for Bitcoin, given the investor perception of Bitcoin as a digital version of the metal. Analysts wrote that Bitcoin's volatility, which is almost 4 times the volatility of gold, makes it unrealistic to expect Bitcoin to match gold in investors' portfolios in notional amounts. JP Morgan said that if Bitcoin were to match gold in risk capital terms, the implied allocation drops to $0.9 trillion, implying a price of $45,000, notably lower than current levels. As of 10 a.m. Eastern Time, Bitcoin is at around $68,500, up over 2%, and the CoinDesk 20 index is also up over 2%. Optimism Foundation sold almost 20 million OP tokens to an unidentified buyer. The tokens are worth about $89 million at current prices. The sold tokens are subject to a 2-year lockup, but the buyer can delegate those tokens to unaffiliated third parties for participation in governance decisions, giving the same benefits as an unvested holder. The tokens come from the unallocated portion of the OP token treasury and are part of the foundation's original working budget of 30% of the initial supply. And the U.S. will appeal Do Kwon's extradition to South Korea. That's according to Bloomberg. On Thursday, Kwon's attorney told CoinDesk via text that a Montenegro court would extradite him to South Korea. But in a Justice Department statement also on Thursday, it was revealed that the U.S. will continue to seek Kwon's extradition. The eyes of global authorities have been on Kwon ever since Terra collapsed in mid-2022. Terra's collapse wiped out billions of dollars of investor funds, and Kwon fled to Montenegro, where he was later arrested for possession of falsified official documents. That's it for CoinDesk Daily. Get more updates on CoinDesk.com, and we'll see you next time.